Welcome to Talking with Docs. I'm Dr. Brad Weening.
I'm Dr. Paul Zalzal. Autoimmune disease. It's insane. Your immune system is supposed to protect you. Now, all of a sudden, your own immune system is doing harm to you, attacking your own body.
Right, and your immune system is supposed to protect you against, viruses, bacteria, parasites. It's like a security system, but for whatever reason, it's not totally understood. It turns on itself, on different cells, whether it's your joints or your skin or your organs, and attacks them.
And we know how crucial the immune system. We've always known it, but we really saw it when AIDS came about in the 80s,
right.
90s, because that virus attacked the immune system, and then we saw people who were infected with that virus and developed AIDS, got the HIV virus, developed AIDS.
Yep.
The kinds of diseases they got were fairly rare,
Yep.
but because they had no immune system, all of a sudden they were getting these kinds of diseases because their immune system couldn't fight it.
Okay.
So we know the immune system is important, but in an autoimmune condition, your own immune system is attacking your body instead of the pathogen it's supposed to protect you from.
Yeah, and there are more than
What is cancer and how does it start? Cancer begins in our cells. Our bodies are made up of billions of cells. The cells are so small, the only way to see them is under a microscope. Different types of cell do different jobs. So, for example, our skin cells are different to the cells found in our stomach, and they're different to the cells in our bones. But they all have a similar basic structure. Our cells are constantly dividing, dying and being replaced. This normally happens in a controlled way to make sure we have the right number of each type of cell in our body. Cancer happens when something goes wrong when cells are dividing. The damaged cell might start to grow and multiply too much and form a tumour. This can happen anywhere in the body. For a cancer to start, changes happen in the cell's nucleus. This is its control centre. The nucleus contains DNA. Sections of DNA are called genes. This is where the changes happen. Let's explain. The genes are like the cell's instruction manual. Gene changes might be like a page missing from the manual. So it could be that there is a missing gene. Or it might be that there are too many copies of a gene. Or the genes are not in the right order. This means that the cell doesn't know when to stop and start dividing and where in the body it should live. And a tumour can develop. If this continues, it can grow into nearby tissues and spread to other parts of the body. Blood cancers are a little different. For example, leukemia is a cancer of the white blood cells. Too many faulty white blood cells are made and build up in the bloodstream. So what causes the changes in the cell DNA? They could happen by chance when any cell is dividing. But outside factors such as tobacco smoke, alcohol or sun exposure can make mistakes more likely. Much more rarely, people can inherit gene changes that make them more likely to develop cancer. For more information about cancer, go to cruk.org/about-cancer.